Today I'm going to teach you something you need to know, and that is ice safety. I know you want to see Alex go through the ice, but I don't, because that means I'll have to rescue him. Get yourself a spud bar, check the ice as you go, and we're going to catch some giant Manitoba
brook trout and rainbow trout. Woo-hoo! Stay tuned. Welcome back to another episode of AP Bassin. Another one.
This one is amazing. We need to get like everything's so good right now.
We need to get fishing. That's the head thong there. Jay's been a really good friend of mine for many years now. Always find time to fish with each other about every year. We go on some sort of trip. This year we fished for smallmouth. I took him out of my boat. You wanna fight right now? Do you wanna fight?
My glass! Yes! Oh, that's big, dude. Oh my goodness! We're gonna have some fun out here.
Look at this one.
Come here, little smiley. Hey guys, my second smallmouth of the day.
This clear water's unreal. Oh, that is a big Lake Michigan smallmouth. That was so cool. There's another big one in front of us. Two of them here, two big ones, dude. Yep. Wow. Got him.
I got one.
I thought I spooked him. You going too?
Wow.
Nice. Where are you? What's going on? Oh, that's a nice one. Wow,
Heck
that was
yeah,
so cool.
I didn't even know I had a blow up. I was reeling. I'm like, what's going on? What's going on?
You want me to net him?
No, just look at him.
He's nice.
Jay, we kind of did it. Came out here, caught some fish.
It was that easy. We weren't even recording.
The whole time?
Yeah.
Was that your best smallmouth day of the summer? Of the year?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
With me? Oh, yeah. Yeah. He now lives on Lake of the Woods. And yeah, but we decided to come to his home province and go as far north as you can on a road that ends the town. We need to do some vlogging in the town. I ain't showing no remorse. I feel like that's not a great line.
You're gonna get demonetized.
I don't do this for the money, Jay.
That's what you told me just before you turned the camera on.
I do it for the fame.
You said we need the AdSense. It's got a giant Arctic railing on it, which is a nice touch.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this. We've missed this up until this point. I don't know if I can get it all in the shot. Yeah, there we go. Roll down that window.
You can walk in the middle of the road here because it's like quiet, peaceful. So cool, so nice.
We're back. Watch your camera, please. You're gonna let it slide, aren't you?
What should I talk about today on the adventures of AP and J? Yep, let's see. Town is an experience, and yeah, sight fishing hole. Any recommendations? Just make sure you mark it after you're done, and the bigger is not always better.
Does size count at all, or is that just some weird thing guys think about?
All right, you see, this is where Gene and I always get into a heated debate. I like them when they're really big.
And I think it's better when they're enormous.
Something to keep in mind with the sight fishing hole is I would always favor a little bit shallower, because then if you are filming, you're going to get that amazing footage. You go a little bit deeper and it's like you can see the fish, but it's just so much tougher to capture if you're filming.
Yeah.
But also the thing is, like, sight fishing is the best in the peak periods of light, like the high light, high sun. So if you cut a hole deeper, you're going to miss out on half an hour in the morning, half an hour in the evening, because it's just a little bit deeper.
Just the lighting, the scenery. It's so easy to film here because everything's beautiful. Just like the girls of Winnipeg. You gonna catch them? Then I want to take on a nice date. Wine them and dine them, one might say. We're taking things seriously. Today is smash down of brook trout, and our goal is to catch rainbow trout. I'm gonna start off, I'm gonna change it up a little bit. I'm gonna use snow globe today. I've been using this 2.2-inch microplastic on a small little chartreuse jig head. Not gonna focus. Even a little bit back that way. It's hard because this jig head is not the greatest. It's just a cheap generic one from Cabela's, but.
I like how quickly we got set up. Are you marking a fish? You seem pretty focused.
Nope. Haven't marked one yet. I feel like what's gonna happen, it's gonna happen quick. I gotta stay focused on my game. Got one shot. One opportunity. Can't let it slip. We had one blimp come through. We had underwater cameras. We had one blimp. Could you imagine if we missed that blimp? Because I'm not focused? You don't seem like your head's in the game.
No, I'm more in the game than you are.
Yeah.
Two. Is there a fish in there? Oh. That was big, eh? He's coming back. Oh. Jeez, that's a big fish. Yes. Oh, she's hooked up.
Hooked up, first fish of the morning? Let's go!
That was so cool watching him interact there.
Took a little convincing, but we got him. What do we got? Oh yeah, brookie.
Wow. Fish are still here, guys. They haven't left.
About to get our hands a little. Ooh, he's gonna give me a little tail grab opportunity? No. Yeah. It's a nice one. Good morning. Welcome to northern Manitoba. First brook trout of the morning. Crunched. Going for number two, number one. What I've been using for these trout are, it's a very simple setup. I've got the 39-inch light dipstick, 10-pound braid to an 8-pound fluorocarbon leader, and a jig and a plastic. Oh, so pretty. Keep their head up off the ice so that way they don't hit the ice. Wet my hands a little bit. Number two. Oh my goodness, this one just hammered it. As I catch little scrimpy jimpies like that, just want to show you guys the coloration on the fish and kind of get them back quickly. Wet your hands, good grip on the tail, good grip under the belly, and that should save you some troubles out here. My jigging cadence would be that of a very slight bluegill jig almost. It's nothing rapid. You just want that tail dancing down there. A little bit of dance, a little bit of booty, shake, a little bit of and you're gonna catch them. It's that easy. Just give them a little pop of the hips, a little you know, maybe a little yeah, just fish on. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, so beautiful. On the jaw jacker, fish number 3 of the morning. Wow, we are crushing right now. Very simple. Small live bait hook, split shot, 8-pound test to a leader, and just set 2 feet off the bottom. Nothing special. The minnow is also dead. A lot of places in Manitoba you have to use dead bait. I'm not sure if you could use live bait here, but we're using dead bait just because that's what's available to us. We're running all drenches. Fish down there.
Oh, I almost took it from you. That was a good fish. You might be tingling the camera.
Oh, nice.
Do you feel it? Yeah, you're definitely tingling the camera.
Yeah.
Okay, loosen up a bit. I gotta pull this up. That's the only way it's gonna work.
Get.
Oh no, it's a big fish too. Okay, it's off.
Still got him.
Nice.
Ooh, it's a big one, dude.
This footage is insane, dude. Is it a big one?
Yeah.
Here, let me.
My fourth one of the morning. Second one on the jaw jacker.
That's a nice fish. Dude, it got tangled in the camera.
Crazy. Underwater footage. Can't wait to rewatch that tonight. And going back in. She's ready. Woo! Put your hands in the air. Wow, just had a monster. Not that big. God, he looks so big on the camera.
You need help?
For
a guy like you? I don't want to get my hands wet though.
Yes!
Oh, that's a beautiful fish.
Beautiful fish. Get that DB. Yeah.
Okay, you want to grab?
Nope. Let me get some shots. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
That was big.
That's a good fish.
Oh,
I like the single hook. Let's go!
come on. Big brookie. Another big brookie. That's a big one.
Hopefully this knot's good.
Stop.
Oh,
I know, it's big.
God. Yeah. This will make up for all the fish I lost if we can get them in. That's all I need. Ooh, doing some crazy stuff with that hole. I don't know about this drag. We're playing with it. We're just gonna.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Yes!
Yes! Grab him, buddy.
Oh my goodness. What do you think, master angler status?
That's pretty close.
Let's go right to it. Let's go right to it.
I'm gonna grab the.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Move your hands just so I can see the whole thing.
Oh yes.
Boom.
Well, I was able to land my biggest brook trout ever, a master angler, and
Yeah, single hook, better for me because I tend to pull on the fish a little too hard. Trout have a soft mouth.
Okay, you're good.
21-inch brook trout. Smash the plastic, single hook. She is going back. Here we go. We're gonna pop that hook out, barbless here. Boom, right out.
Yeah, boy! Let's go! Yes! 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 Yes!
Okay, this is getting weird.
Got too much clothes on!
No, you aren't. Oh no!